looks like it hurts.
What happened?
Well, I was hoping you could tell me.
There was an explosion.
Do you remember anything else after the accident? Anything unusual?
Like what?
Like seeing two of me.
What?
I think the explosion caused some kind of separation. A division at the molecular level, I don't know, but I saw myself, Doctor. I saw another Lex Luthor.
My God.
What about reversing it? Is there any way to force the two me's back together?
My research notes are back in the lab, and if I had those, I might be able to find a way to reverse the process.
I'm gonna go back to the lab and get the notes. In the meantime, why don't you get some rest?
What?
Chloe,
I thought you left for the lab with Clark.
I just wanted to check in on Dr. Sinclair first.
Oh, was he all right?
Not feeling a thing.
Well, I was hoping I could maybe talk to him.
Well, he's sleeping now. Maybe you should come back later when he's feeling a little more alive.
Okay.
Code blue, room 213. Code blue, room 213.
Coming through!
He's arresting. Defibrillator. Charge 200. Clear.
No response.
250. 250. Clear. 250.
Still no response. This is what your secret experiment was about? Gardening?
No, Clark. It's about the future. These are growing in common sand. It's only a few drops of water as irrigation.
If my dad planted a crop of these, he'd never have to worry about the harvest again.
Until it arrived on your dinner table. Taste it. It was grown from irradiated seeds.
Or something's wrong, it tastes
Rotten. That's what we've been wrestling with. See, we've successfully destroyed the genes that make a plant weak, giving it the ability to thrive under the harshest conditions. But the process also affects the fruit it bears, and not for the better.
Is that what you were trying to fix when the explosion happened?
Dr. Sinclair thought increasing the temperature of the reaction would solve the problem. We pushed it further than we ever have, Clark, but the meteorite became unstable.
Wait, you're working with meteor rocks again?
If I could find a way to make this work, Luthor Corp could put an end to hunger and famine forever. I'm hoping there's something in Dr. Sinclair's notes that'll explain exactly what went wrong. Clark, you all right?
Yeah, I don't think that apple's sitting very well. I'll wait for you outside.